Hi, my name's Vanessa Gray and I'm an agent for Leggett Immobilier. Today we are lucky enough to be in the beautiful Dordogne area which I work in. We are based between Bergerac and Saint-Emilion in this magnificent estate. This estate commands one of the most beautiful river-fronted properties in the whole of the region. The house comprises of the owner's property, which has 3 to 4 bedrooms. It has 2 separate gîtes, cottages, which are beautiful, and then it also has 5 independent chambre d'hôte rooms, which are perfect for letting. There's also a swimming pool, which has a beautiful walled garden surrounded with red roses. The gardens and the grounds of the property are absolutely immaculate. This house is currently run as a very successful chambre d'hôte. Not only is it possible to do chambre d'hôte here, as they're already doing, but also it could be run as a fantastic wedding venue, or simply it could be a beautiful family home. This property has been recently and lovingly renovated by its current owners. There is simply nothing to do. Just put your bags down, move in, and enjoy this wonderful, beautiful environment. you would like more information on this simply stunning property, please contact us today. We can provide you with more photos, video tours, and obviously, of course, if you'd like to visit the property, we would love to show you more. Please don't forget to subscribe to our Leggett channel, and for further information on everything you need to know, please see everything below. Thank you for watching the video, and au revoir.